You can disable Windows 11 notifications completely or block specific apps in just a few clicks. Here is how to do it. Open your Start menu, click on the Settings gear icon and select Notifications under the System menu category. To turn off all system pop-ups at once, simply click the main Notifications toggle switch to off. If you still want important alerts but want to block distracting apps, keep the main switch on. Scroll down to the Notifications from Apps and Other Senders section, find apps like Chrome or Edge and toggle them off individually. For complete silence during work hours, turn on Do Not Disturb at the top to send all pop-ups directly to your notification center without making a sound. If this guide helped you, please like this video and subscribe to Tactim for more quick tech walkthroughs. See you in the next one.